Welcome to Med About You, your health solution. What happens when you eat 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily? Eating 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily can have several positive effects on your health, especially when it replaces less healthy fats like butter or refined oils. Here's a breakdown of what may happen when you consistently consume 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily. 1. Improved heart health. Rich in monounsaturated fats, which lower bad LDL cholesterol, raise good HDL cholesterol, reduces risk of heart disease and stroke when combined with a healthy diet. 2. Better digestion and gut health. Acts as a natural lubricant for the digestive system, stimulates production of bile and pancreatic enzymes, aiding digestion. May help relieve constipation gently. 3. Reduced inflammation. Contains oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound comparable to ibuprofen in small doses. Helps reduce chronic inflammation linked to arthritis, cardiovascular issues, and even sexual dysfunction. 4. Enhanced brain function. Healthy fats support cognitive performance, memory, and focus. Long-term intake is linked to lower risk of Alzheimer's and age-related cognitive decline. 5. Hormonal balance. Fats are essential for producing sex hormones testosterone, estrogen. Supports better mood, libido, and fertility. 6. Skin and hair benefits. High in vitamin E and antioxidants, promoting glowing skin and reducing dryness. May strengthen hair and reduce scalp inflammation. 7. Blood sugar control. Helps reduce insulin resistance and blood sugar spikes when eaten with carbohydrates. 8. Possible weight management. Though calorie-dense, olive oil can promote satiety, feeling full, helping reduce snacking and cravings. Supports fat metabolism when part of a balanced, calorie-controlled diet. Best way to take it. Drizzle over salads or vegetables, add to smoothies or soups, use as a dip with whole grain bread or for light cooking. Olive oil for improved sex in male and female. But, how olive oil may help improve sex drive and performance in both men and women. Benefits for men. 1. Boosts testosterone levels. Extra virgin olive oil may help increase testosterone production, especially when replacing unhealthy fats. Healthy testosterone levels are linked to stronger libido, erections, and stamina. 2. Enhances blood flow. Better circulation helps with erectile function and sexual performance. This is due to olive oil's positive effects on artery health and blood vessel elasticity. 3. Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation can impair sexual performance. Olive oil contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, like oleocanthal, that help reduce this. Benefits for women. 1. Supports hormonal balance. Healthy fats from olive oil help produce estrogen and progesterone. Balanced hormones can improve libido, mood, and vaginal lubrication. 2. Boosts blood circulation. Improved blood flow can enhance arousal, sensitivity, and orgasm. 3. Improves mood and reduces stress. The Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, is linked to lower rates of depression and anxiety, both of which can negatively impact sex drive. How to use olive oil to massage for bigger penis. Massage with olive oil can improve temporary blood flow, skin health, and sensitivity, which may enhance erections and sexual pleasure. What olive oil massage might help with. Improved circulation to the area, softer, more hydrated skin, temporary fuller appearance due to increased blood flow, relaxation and stress reduction, which can help with sexual performance. How to use olive oil for penis massage for blood flow and skin health. This is not a medically necessary or proven practice, but for general care and relaxation. Steps. 1. Use extra virgin olive oil cold pressed, organic is best. 2. Warm a few drops in your hands. 3. Gently massage the shaft and base of the penis for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. You can use gentle stroking or circular motions, do not apply intense pressure. 5. Leave it on for a few minutes, then wash off with warm water and mild soap. Tips: do not apply inside the urethra, avoid if you have cuts, rashes, or infections, stop immediately if irritation or discomfort occurs. Olive oil for improved sex stamina on bed. How olive oil helps improve sexual stamina. 1. Boosts energy and endurance. Olive oil contains healthy fats, monounsaturated fats that provide sustained energy, unlike quick-burning sugars. It supports stable blood sugar levels, helping you avoid energy crashes during sex. 2. Improves blood circulation. Better blood flow improves erection quality and arousal for both men and women. This results in longer-lasting performance and more satisfying sex. 3. Supports testosterone production. Olive oil helps maintain healthy levels of testosterone, the key hormone for sex drive and stamina in men. It also helps with hormonal balance in women, supporting mood and energy. 4. Reduces inflammation and stress. Chronic inflammation and stress reduce sexual performance. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants like polyphenol and vitamin E that lower inflammation. It may also support better mood and mental focus, which are crucial during sex. 5. Enhances heart health. A healthy heart equals better endurance in bed. The Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, is proven to reduce risk of cardiovascular disease, which is directly tied to sexual performance. How to use olive oil to support sexual stamina. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily of extra virgin olive oil. Use it on salads, steamed veggies, or as a dip. Avoid deep frying, it destroys the nutrients. Combine with a Mediterranean-style diet, fish, nuts, fruits, veggies, whole grains. Include physical exercise to improve stamina naturally. Put olive oil with cloves for 20 minutes before bed. This will give you 100 horsepower. Amaze the wife. The idea of using olive oil with cloves as a natural remedy to boost male sexual performance is a popular folk remedy. Why cloves? Cloves have been traditionally used for improved blood circulation, mild aphrodisiac effects, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some studies suggest cloves can enhance testosterone and support sperm health. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please visit our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.